One of the biggest mistakes that buyers make is what they say out loud during a home tour. And I'm not talking about anything offensive. I'm talking about the little comments that seem harmless but can actually hurt you when it comes time to negotiate. I've been in this business for over 12 years and helped close over 800 homes, and I can't tell you how many times I've heard buyers walk into a house and say things like, "Oh, this is perfect. We love this house," or "This is the one." And listen, I get it. That's the goal. But here's the problem. When you say that out loud, especially at an open house or anywhere near the front door where there could be a ring camera or a recording device, you have to assume that the seller might be listening in. Once that happens, you lose leverage. Now the seller knows that you're emotionally attached and that you really want the house. And that can absolutely affect negotiations, pricing, repairs, and concessions. That doesn't mean you can't love the house. It just means that there's a difference between feeling it and announcing it. My job is to help protect you through the entire process, not just get you in the door. And sometimes that means having those conversations privately, not out in the open. And in a competitive market like Pittsburgh, every little advantage matters. If you're thinking about buying and want to make sure that you're not accidentally hurting your chances, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help guide you through the process.